Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Active case of COVID-19 in Goa has come down to zero, and this has happened due to strict implementation of lockdown. Lockdown of 40 days has been implemented successfully by Goa Police, and we have IGP Jaspal Singh to talk about that journey. Sir, it was very successful 40 days period when lockdown was implemented.
Yes.
What was the challenges before Goa Police?
Police is always trained to face the challenges, but in this particular case, it was for the first time that police was deployed to keep people indoors due to a major health crisis, that is COVID-19 health crisis. So the major challenge was because for the last about 34 years, there were no such restrictions imposed in Goa. So at least one generation was not aware as to what is curfew, what are the various kinds of restrictions which a law enforcement agency impose. And then there was challenge of border check post, because lot of traffic moves between Goa and other states, though we totally sealed them. And then there was a challenge of making or ensuring social distances at various essential shops, and at the same time to keep people indoors. It was a major challenge because Goa is a widely spread territory, and the strength of the police force is not to that extent. So therefore we had to mobilize each and every resource of Goa Police.
We had to implement the lockdown, but another side we had to maintain the transportation of essential commodities from our neighboring states. How you ensured the inflow of essential commodity with keeping track of who is coming, who is going out?
In fact, all the border checkposts from which the transportation of essential commodities were received, they were manned by one executive magistrate, then staff from the health department, and of course with the increased strength of police department also. So each and every truck which used to bring essential commodities, it was subjected to thorough check by the police department, and those individuals, that is one driver and one helper, they were also thoroughly checked by the health department. In addition to these regular border checkposts, there were large number of small passages which go into other states, Karnataka and Maharashtra, and we also surveyed all those passages with the help of course, Panchayats, and then those passages were also plugged.
Goa does not have any active case right now, but our neighboring states, Karnataka and Maharashtra, are increasing day by day. In this situation, what is the status of our border checkpost? What are the measures are being taken right now?
Luckily our neighboring districts, because basically people have to come through the neighboring districts. So neighboring districts are also in green zone, whether it is our neighboring district towards Karnataka, Karwar or Sindhudurg. Of course, Belgaum has number of cases, but that is quite a distance. But we are not leaving any stone unturned. Not only on Keri side, in addition to the regular border checkpost, there is a joint manning of the border checkpost, almost 15 kilometers inside the border. So both the police forces from Karnataka and Goa Police, they ensure that whoever enters the state, they are thoroughly searched. Similarly, on the Maharashtra side also, we are in touch with the Maharashtra Police also. And as far as I know, that the system is foolproof. Nobody can enter unchecked inside the borders.